So hi guys, welcome to my little channel. I wanted to hop right in before I get into the video and say, let me sit down. This video was brought to my attention, and this is the girl that allegedly got kidnapped. She's the same one that went to the police station, reported her sister. Now she's saying that the guy that she was with was actually threatening her, and that is why she did what she did.
Just to make sure say everything in your body. Worse when you have something to live for. Worse when you have something to live for. Right now, Ed, in the right place, my children all family member them. We unhappy. We used to live happy. We never yard and we happy. Everybody have to left the house like madness. What kind of life me put my people them through? What is so really going on? This guy, me tell the guy if you go on, tell the guy if you leave me alone. The guy no want here. He want to threaten me. It's like if you not gone, it's like if I have to be where he is. They can have this full control, obsessive thing. As they say, I love my sister to death, I love all of them to death. I'm thankful for how she really put me out there, because I'd be a dead girl right now. I wouldn't even be able to talk to nobody right now. I'd be a dead person right now. That's all I can say. I'll be really, really dead.
Then for them to pray for you. And if anybody have information on him whereabouts,
anybody will know where in them. I beg you, please just.
She's in fear of her life, and she is asking for prayers. I know a lot of women can relate to her story, and I know a lot of women are going through the same thing that she's going through. I hope she keeps herself safe and actually stay away from him, because he seems like he's one of those men that believe that women belong to them, women are property, and he should be in control of her life. He should be in control of everything she does and says. Oh, and I need to hot walk in here and add, she said if it wasn't for the video and the video actually going viral, she don't know if she would still be alive right now. So shout out to her sister, because if it wasn't for her sister doing exactly what she did, that would have named her supper. So I feel sorry for her, and I feel very bad for her, because I know it's a hard position to be in, especially if you honestly, really, genuinely love somebody and they violate you like this. It's normally very hard for abusers, well, the person that is being abused, to get out of relationships like these. So I'll let you guys be the judge. I actually talked about this yesterday. If you want a more in-depth conversation, you can check out the live video. I went way more in-depth and talked about how women need to be held accountable for the men that they choose, and so many more stuff. So check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
NAGBM Productions.
Talk about what needs to be done and all this. There's a writing down here on the video screen. It says, anybody who know this guy, please contact so and so, and them leave all him information, license plate number, car color, everything. Right? Watch this. Say my choker. She's being kidnapped. Bad man come for her with gun. Go in that car, girl. Go in the bumper cloth car. Watch. This is her little sister recording from upstairs. Because she said she didn't know what else to do. So she'll get some evidence. Watch it now. I saw. Look like him just box down the girl. Go in that car. She trying not to go, right?
Hello, sir. We are do. We are do. We are do.
She said, what you do? Him said, what me fear do? Force her into the car. Somebody tell me said this is a movie script or this is an old video from a long time ago and it's Africa or somewhere or something.
What is that man say? What is that man?
This is Jamaica for you.
Hello, we are do.
You hear she cry though? You see she try come out of the car, watch. See it there?
Hello.
See my holy gun pad in waist? Watch out. And he's
Kizzy, me did think you're real to me. I did love my sister. But you don't. You love the cloud chasing. Let me realize that by now. You love chasing clouds. You're all about the clouds and how far you can reach in life. You should go and focus on your music career and stop trying your own sister down now and ditch. You know, and look old. Trust to bring up yourself. Kizzy, I am sorry for you. I am so sorry for you. You can't want to use me. I go through in my relationship and mix up my face. It's so much followers I get, Kizzy. You well done. You know much followers I get? Kizzy, you did well. Trust me, you're good. And for life, you lose a sister for life. Oh my God, people.
Crystal son. Crystal say, me say go on, come out for the baby and go on up. She say, Crystal sound like she's a hostage to me. Me I tell you the truth. That's how Crystal sound to me. Crystal can't touch her phone. Crystal's under heavy surveillance.